everybody, it's your girl Asia, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, but before I get into all of that, I just wanted to do a little bit of a life update because I didn't get to give y'all any content with me moving from Nassau to North Carolina. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been horrible with being consistent and posting content, but it's because I made a huge transition. So I no longer live in Nassau. I now live in Concord, North Carolina. Okay guys, so we about to leave now. So guys, this is the car. Black interior. So I'm now a Carolina girl. I was born there, but I lived in Nassau my whole life. Which y'all know from my Q&A. If you haven't watched that, please go back and watch that. But I am now officially a Carolina girl because I moved and I didn't get to give y'all any footage like of me in the airport or packing or anything like that. It was really hectic because my last week I had so much to do. Like everyone was trying to spend time with me and see me, but I just couldn't find time. So I definitely couldn't vlog. But I'm here now. I am now in North Carolina. And I was staying in my aunt's apartment, but now we're moving to another apartment so that I could have my own room. And yeah, so life update. Let's get into that. Okay guys, the lighting in the bathroom is truly awful. So I just wanted to move because for one, I was tired holding my phone, and for two, the lighting just bad. It's probably still bad here, but what could I do for that right now? So we are moving in the morning to another apartment. That's not enough no Asia, get focused. Life update. So my last video was prom. What's happened since prom? After prom, I was doing stuff with the modeling competition. I'm in one of a kind. I'll put a picture probably right now. But after that, what was I doing? Church. I went to church a lot as well. I went to the beach. I can't remember anything. This is horrible. But fast forward to the day before I left. The day before I left, I was with a friend, and then I went home and I went to church. After church, I went home and we had to prepare for the airport. Church was so emotional. Like most of my friends, the people who are closest to me, go to my church. So that was very emotional. But the next morning was my flight. So I went to the airport and all that good stuff. And yeah, now I'm in Carolina. Like I said, I was born there. No, I didn't move for college yet. I'm not starting school until next fall because it's a whole story and process, but that's what's happening. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be working, just getting my life together. I would say I have a lot going on, and even in high school I was always the type of person to have a lot going on, and so I'm using this opportunity as a reset button to just find myself again, well, my real self, my new self now, because back then it was just a lot. But yeah, I'm planning on, like I said, working, putting out way more content for you guys because I'm gonna have so much more free time. So I'm gonna be having time to talk to y'all, having time to just create content. That's what I love to do. I have a few plans that I'm not ready to share yet because I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them on the ground this year, but well, not on the ground, off the ground this year. but they are in my plans. Super excited about that. And yeah, I have a lot to come with y'all. I promise, like I really promise, like a lot of hauls, a lot of challenges, a lot of y'all know me. I've been waiting on this move for literally move back. I've been waiting on this move for like ever. So I'm really happy that it's happening now. What all have I done so far? So already I've changed my phone number. I have opened my bank account. I have gotten my laptop and AirPods because I left the laptop that I already had in Nassau. Those are what I've already done. I ordered my bed set, my mattress, my mirror for my room, and what else did I get? A dresser. So those are the things that I've already gotten. My mattress is actually right there. Let me show you that. That's my mattress. That's my mattress. My bed set, mirror, and my 2 nightstands that I also ordered. They gave me the bed set. Actually, they are at the new apartment, which is literally like right around the corner. It's in the same complex, but it's just bigger. That's right there. So yeah, I basically got everything. I haven't done any shopping, which like this trip is so different for me because normally when I come away, the first thing we do is go to Walmart and just buy a bunch of toiletries and underwear. Like I don't know if y'all know about Walmart underwear. I don't know y'all think y'all are, but y'all missing out because they're the most comfortable underwear in the world. But yeah, I just used to always go shopping, so coming there to just lay down and not have nothing to do but doing like actual important stuff. It's so boring. Like this trip been so boring, but tomorrow we finally doing stuff what I could actually record, so I'm excited about that. All right, now I about to go pack all the stuff I have, all of my suitcases, pack my toiletries, and then pick out an outfit what I could be doing stuff in tomorrow, because tomorrow gonna be a long hot day, just moving stuff and putting together beds, and it's gonna be a lot, but I'm ready. I'm excited, and I'm so happy that I get to bring y'all with me. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this move in this video. And there's been a lot of updating and talking. This is 6 minutes. I can't believe that. But yeah, quality. I mean, what the hell am I talking about? Y'all have to excuse me because I have some blonde moments. Your girl is kind of crazy. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Nah, I lie. Y'all just come back with me, and then I can see y'all in the morning when I wake up. Yeah. Man, y'all, so I have already done everything I was supposed to do, basically. I already put my stuff in my suitcase, my purse, my other suitcase in the room. And that was all I was supposed to do. So now I just helping my mommy. She trying to like straighten up and out before we leave. But y'all can see that we have a bunch of boxes and all kind of stuff in the kitchen. We'll have to go to the new place. I didn't show y'all how it looked when everything was still there, but the TV and desk, computer was here. The couch is still there, but we had some stuff in the corner. It's looking pretty empty. We're in the middle of moving, and I am on babysitting duty. Nathan, say hi. Nathan, say hi. Hi, Nathan. These cords are killing me. The setup. I can't get the Wi-Fi back on. I feel a little slow. Okay, guys. So, this is my room. This is my closet. I'm gonna close this. What's happening? It's the closet. Right now, well, I am getting fat. Right now, my mirror is hell. My bed, my nightstand, and that's it. Our sofa just came. The TV we have to unwrap. Let me give y'all, I was gonna give y'all an empty apartment tour, but the movers was just moving, so I didn't want to record them all getting their way. But let's start from outside. Then we have a red door. No, Nathan.
It's Wednesday's turn.
Jesus, I can't have a children. I cannot have a child. The kitchen. All our stuff we need to unpack. Pantry. Washroom. Well, not really room, but washing area. Water heater. You come in. Sofa. Master bedroom. The balcony, not going out there. My bathroom, well, me and Nathan's bathroom. Nathan's room, closet, and my room. Y'all can't see everything because, yeah. So in here, I need to open this. My mirror is in there. And I'm not opening these ones right now. Probably I'll let mommy help me with that. That's it. I don't really know what else to show y'all, but oh, I forgot this is linen closet. Literally nothing is in place yet. We have to put up a shower curtain. I am gonna kill this mirror. It's giving thick. It's giving body. It's giving everything. Fun fact, this is Antonia's shirt. These Courtney tights. So I'm wearing all my friends' clothes today. Hey y'all, so me and my mommy are in the U-Haul. Oh. I used to do it all. I got a screw the window now. No, I have to follow you. I ain't had to screw a window in so long, y'all.
You never have to screw the window like you.
My daddy cheap used to have a manual window. But
I can't just reverse that way.
we're in the U-Haul. You could reverse the next way. I was hoping she'd go the next way because this person. Just go straight back. Big truck driving like Nash. We go to return the car. And yeah, that's it. And then grab something to eat. And then when we come home, we're gonna put together my bed and all that stuff. I just got back home. I am watching Nathan again because he has anxiety when it rains. And I don't know, not rain, but like the car wipers, the windshield wipers give him anxiety. So it started raining and he didn't want to be in the rain. So they dropped us home. But I'm gonna open my mattress now so I can open up. And then I'm gonna open my mirror. I think I'll open my mirror first, but let me put y'all down. Y'all, right now I can't find scissors, so I'm using a screwdriver. Definitely gonna need these instructions.
Oh. Where's my towel?
Hold on now. Okay. I'm happy it doesn't take up much space.
Where is my towel? Where is my towel?
So this is the mirror. Simple black. Full body. I like it. It's
We
classy.
need a towel. Driving.
Yeah. I can't no tell you. This is a lot.
Towel.
Okay, let me get you some hand towels. Come. Yeah.
Now. Hold on. Your hands are wet.
Okay, go in your room
Hold on.
and play with your kids, bro. Okay, guys. That's that. Now I have to open this mattress because they said, well, my auntie said that it's memory foam, so it have to like spread, I guess, and it needs some time to do that. I have to put a light in this closet because in there it's super dark, super dark. It's growing now, whatever that means, like I said. But whilst that is happening, I'm gonna move this trash out of my room into the living room. Nathan, can you come inside, please? So I can't have kids in here. Like, seriously. I have to keep reiterating that. Can you come inside, please? Yes. Come on.
Yes.
Okay, it's very hot. Okay, guys. So now it's time for me to struggle to put this bed together. So I found the instructions. I really need these because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. This is very confusing. Guys, I'm almost finished. Yeah. Ooh, I almost hit myself in the eye with this. Okay, guys, so I'm finally finished. Bed. This sheet situation is only temporary. Bed, nightstands, my mirror, and a dress is supposed to be coming here, but I'm not sure if that's enough space. So if not, then I'm gonna put it there. And then my closet. There's nothing inside or organized yet, but that's where we are with my room so far. Please excuse my cousin in the back because clearly he thinks only him now. But yeah, y'all, that's everything I've done today. I feel like that's all we're gonna get done because we have to go back to the old apartment to finish cleaning up some stuff that we have left there. And then, excuse me. And then I wanted to go to Dollar Tree to get some hangers so I could start putting some of my clothes up. But that doesn't look like it's gonna happen today because, like I said, we have to go back to the old apartment and all that stuff. So I am going to put room decorations I'm gonna do a haul because I'm ordering some stuff off Shein. It's not gonna be that much, but I'm gonna do a Shein haul with that. And then I have to, like I said, go and get comforter, pillows, and all that good stuff. And then what else do I need for this room? I feel like that's it. I think that's it. Guys, I really am too lazy to get up. But I just want to close up this vlog by saying thank y'all so much for watching. And don't forget to stay tuned for the rest of my move, I guess. I mean, it's not really much more I need to do. But like I said, I have a few videos planned for y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss those. And I love y'all. Bye.